everybody. We got something a little different here at 256 Garage. We're gonna haul us off a load of scrap. James has got this whole trailer and he's wanting to refloor it. Had a load of scrap on it, so we're fixing to haul it off, sell it, or he can get some money to buy him some flooring. Everything's looking good. You ready to hit the road? First time scrappers here. Let's see what happens. Got the old F350 hooked up to it. Pretty good load. We're gonna check it out. The scrap dogs up here close between Fife and Geraldine. See if we can get rid of this load. Unload it. All right, we're getting weighed. Bell rings, that means we're good to go. Bunch of scrap around here. Let's see if we can find where to go. All right, we got it here. Got her unstrapped. Jameson's rolling up the straps, waiting on the excavator to show up. He gets here, he'll set her off, and we'll have her empty. Then we'll be able to assess if there's any floor left in this thing. You see they got piles of stuff everywhere. I see scrap dogs up here in Fife. Check them out. Maybe they'll give us a good payday. Seems like a pretty good load. Interested to see what it weighed. We need to make bets on how much weight we got back there.
What do you think?
I say 2,500 pounds. 27. It don't feel quite like a small car, but it feels almost like a car back there. You know what I'm saying? So he says 2,700. I say 2,500. Y'all make y'all's guess, and we'll put the amount at the end of it. So don't fast forward and see what it is till you watch the whole video. It won't be a long video, but still. So let's get him up here and he'll get us unloaded. He's up there fueling the excavator, and then he's gonna come down here and unload us. I hate to see a couple old C4s in the scrap yard. Of course, they've been set out in the weather so long, they probably ain't much count, but still, you hate to see them gone. Old flex plate right there. Or not flex plate, the shield goes between them. Some people throw some good stuff away. Here comes the old big boy. That'll get it unloaded. Thing's got a reach on it, don't it? Setting her up. Back when I used to come to back here with your papa or that other one, I always wanted to run one of them things.
Yeah.
Thought, man, it'd be cool.
That would be cool.
Slings it like it ain't nothing. Just like us throwing a paper wad.
That was a real weight right there. Is that old air conditioner?
There's 2 or 3 of them on there.
Huh?
There's 2 or 3 of them on there.
No, I was talking about that old house.
Oh yeah, I think it was
that.
old stove.
I wish you had grabbed. He's got one of the chairs.
Yeah.
I don't think we had that here.
good bite there. Cleans back the trailer off for it. That's pretty good right there. Yeah, that was real good right there. Wouldn't you like to have a vehicle on there just see him grab it?
He's close to the truck.
See how far he can throw something? Boom. All right, here we are. We got unloaded. Now we're fixing to go get weighed out. Total, paid. All right, Jameson's gonna open it up, see what, throw his money in the floor, see what the weight was. See, I said 2,500 pounds, he said 27.
It was 24.
2480.
Our gross weight was 11,540 pounds.
So this truck and trailer weighs 9,060 pounds. And what'd you end up getting for that little load?
$149.
$149. Check it out. Got anything you need metal laying around? It pays to go scrap. So we just got back to the shop from the scrapyard. Now we're fixing to head to Lowe's. We're gonna get him some lumber to go on this thing. You can see how it's got holes in it, been patched, bolted down, kind of kept from falling apart, patched holes back there. But we're gonna see if we can get him some lumber and some lights and get this thing back in shape, haul a car, four-wheeler, side by side, whatever he wants to haul. So let's head to Lowe's. Right, we're gonna give you a little rundown of the ticket from Scrap Dogs. Material 2,100. I'm not sure, they have a list on their website of what everything is, but what we carried off, I guess, is called, some of them call white goods. Old freezers, old refrigerators, old stoves, a couple old washers, a couple old dryers, 3 or 4 old air conditioners, old dishwasher, stuff like that. But our gross weight was 11,540 pounds. Our tar weight was 9,060. What made our scrap total 2,480. They paid 6 cents a pound, come out to 148.80. Rounded it up to 149. You pull up, they'll weigh you. You pull in, they'll unload you. Pull back around, they'll weigh you again. Go up there, give them your license, and they'll pay you some cash. But like I said, we had several old air conditioners on there. Just make sure can't be no Freon in them. Old refrigerators, freezers, can't be no Freon in them. Had like I said, a couple old washers and dryers. Seemed like there was a couple old satellite dishes, several different things like that. But anyway, it got him a little pocket change to go towards his trailer. So check out next week. We're gonna start putting the floor and redoing that trailer so he can haul it side by side and four-wheeler and stuff like that. Appreciate everybody tuning in. 256 Garage out.